Now we'll see the next part of our practice set number 35. See, in the practice set number 35, they are you are completed the multiply. Now we are second question they ask here. A rectangle of a length is 8x plus 5 and a 5x plus 3 is their breadth. Find the area. Then how to do this one? I already shown with a solved example. Same way you want to solve. You write the first formula of a area of a rectangle, that is a length into breadth, and here binomial into binomial is there. That time what to do, whatever the terms are there in the first bracket, each term you want to multiply with our second bracket terms and will get the answer, and afterwards you write their unit, that is a square centimeter. If they are given the length in meter, that time square meter will come. If they are given the length in centimeter, that time square centimeter will come. Now we'll see the next part is our practice set number 36. In that one 36, first they are given. Next part is our equation in one variable. See here, how to solve the equation in one variable. In a 6th standard, you already done this type of question. Then here, practice set number 36 is that only. Here see, x plus 7 equal to 4 if they are given. Then we want to find out the value of this x variable. How you can find? See, that time you want to do the transpose system. Transpose system is what? Variable you keep on a left hand side, and whatever the number is there, that number you shift to right hand side. And you know it, when you are transferring or when you are transposing this number on a right hand side, that time plus will become a minus, minus will become a plus, multiplication will become a division, and division will become a multiplication. Then here see, x plus 7 equal to 4. I want to find out the value of x. How I can find? Then see, x is equal to what will come? 4 minus 7 will come. And afterward x is equal to 4 minus 7 will come minus 3. X is equal to what will come? Minus 3. See here, minus 3 plus 7 will get 4 or not? Means after finding this answer, if your left hand side equal to right hand side, then your answer is correct. Again, one more example, 4p plus 12. I want to find out the p value. How I can find? P is equal to 12 upon 4 you have to do it. See, whatever this 4 in multiplication form, when you are taking this side, that time multiplication will become a division. That is p is equal to what will come? 12 upon 4 will come. That p value will come. 4 3s are 12. That is p value will come 3. Here one more example they are given. M minus 5 is equal to 4. Then see, m is equal to 4 plus 5. See, when you are changing this, minus will become a plus. Then m value will come 9 here. Again here, t upon 3 is equal to 6. See, we have to take this 3 to this side. Here 3 is in the division form. When you are changing the side, that time division will become a multiplication. Then t is equal to what will come? 6 3s are. What will come? 18. T value will come 18 upon 3 will get 6. Mean like this way you can solve the practice set number 36. In that one they are given this type of example. See here, in that one I am showing some solved example. That is 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Then what to do here? You keep this 2x as it is. Here they are given different methods. And one more method which I solved, that I am showing in the notebook, that also you can use, or what they are shown in your textbook, that also you can use. Here I use the transposer method. In that transposer method what I done, I kept the variable left hand side, and whatever the number is there, that I am shifting on the right hand side. See here I will show you directly with our practice set number 36 example. Then here see, 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2 they are given. Then 4x you keep as it is on the left hand side, and this 1 upon 2 you shift to this side. What will come? Plus will become a minus. And here 4x is equal to what will come? Here denominator is equal, mean 9 minus 1 upon 2. That is a 4x is equal to what will come? 8 upon 2. That is a 4x equal to 4. Means x is equal to what will come? 4 divided by 4 will come. That 4 will get cancelled. We'll get an answer x is equal to 1. Again one more example they are given. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. This you can write this way. 2y plus 5 equal to 10 also you can write. And afterward 2y will keep it on the left hand side. And this 10 you shift to, or 5 you shift to right hand side. And what will get? 2y is equal to 10 minus 5. Then 2y is equal to 5 will get. Then y is equal to what will come? 5 upon 2. Then this way you can solve this type of questions. In that one you want to find out the value of a variable, and when you are finding out the value of a variable, you remember you keep the variable on a left hand side, and whatever the number is there, that you shift on a right hand side, and which number is there on the right hand side, that you write as a first, and which number you are taking from left hand side, that you will be take as a second. And when you are changing this side, that time you change the sign. Okay, then here these are the practice set number 36. Our solve the following. Now we'll go for our next part. They are given some word problems. In that word problem, how to solve this one? See here, I not written here word problem question. Here you want to write the question and I written only their solutions. See here, how to solve. I will take one more example. That is a Rakesh age is a less than Sania's age by 5 years. Then sum of their age is 27 years they are given. Then how old are they asked here. See, in this type of question, first you want to make this type of equations and afterward you want to find out their variable. And here we have to take some variable for consideration. Then here see, let the Sonia's age you consider x here and Rakesh is less than 5. Therefore x minus 5 will come. And their sum of their age means sum means you want to add x plus x minus 5 is equal to 27. X plus x will get 2x minus 5 equal to 27. And afterward you know it how to solve this one. 2x you keep on a left hand side and shift the number on a right hand side. We'll get 2x equal to 32. Then x equal to 32 upon 2. We'll get x equal to 16. Means 16 is a what? That is the age of our age of a Sania is there. And a Rakesh age will come. 16 minus 5 will get 11 years. Then this way you can solve the solved example also. And one more example they are given. That is a fifth one example. See, I not written this example. You write it from your textbook. See that related to our planting of forest. In that one, they are see when the planting the forest, the number of Jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka tree. Therefore, see Ashoka tree to you take x and Jambul trees you take x plus 60. And the total trees of both, they are given here 200. Therefore, you add x plus 60 equal to 200 and x plus x will get 2x plus 60 equal to 200. You shift this 60 to this side and we'll get a 2x is equal to 140. Then x equal to 140 divided by 2 will get and x equal to 70. That will give the Ashoka tree and Jambul tree. How you can find 70 plus 60 will get here 130. Then this way you can solve the word problem. See, I already solved question number 6 as well as 7 like this way. Then this is about the practice set number 36 is there.